Assalamu alaikum everyone.
Walaikum assalam. Assalamu alaikum, sir.
Welcome, sir. Please connect your tick and open your file. Connect your tick and open your file. Open it. Because today we will learn another thing that will help us. And if you face any problem, we will solve it. Okay.
Yes, sir. Okay.
I think we need to wait for 5 minutes so that everybody can enter. We will start at 11:55. Okay. Then we will start. Please.
Okay, sir. Inshallah.
My request to everyone, please write your problem so that we can solve it. Everyone, which type up to last day, please write it and we will discuss one by one. If you face any problem, we will solve it. Okay, wait for 5 minutes so that everybody can enter. We can start our class. Please, which type of problem you are facing now? One by one, please. If the common problem, you can ask me. For the socio-economic infrastructure, any problem here you are facing? Hello? Are you listening my voice?
Yes, sir. We can hear you, sir.
Okay, please tell me which problem you are facing from this area, especially the symbol. So socio-economic infrastructure, there is so many symbol. So which symbol you can't actually create this area? Any symbol, every symbol you can. How to create
Sir,
it?
can you repeat the college one, sir? College or high school? Like,
Okay. Okay. What about the others? Other symbol is okay?
Yes, sir. Other symbol is.
Yes, sir. The post office. You already finished the post office? How to create the post office? Tell me. Here is the post office is the important thing. Suppose as for example, these areas, suppose as for example, if you want to create a post office, how to give it that? If the post office is not available as for example, or the symbol is here, but there is no item inside this area. So how to create the post office? Tell me. How many your JPG contain a post office? Your Upojela contain a post office, yes or no? Tell me, Mahdi Hassan. Your Upojela contain any post office, yes or no? Tell me. If your Upojela actually this post office, how to create it? Sometimes, if you believe it or not, sometimes actually you need to make a JPG and you need to transfer these things. How to transfer these things? JPG. How to create that JPG? Today we will learn how to create the JPG. Okay? How to create the JPG today we will learn. So please, one by one, follow my instruction. That's if you do not have idea about the image creating, then it's a problem for you. Suppose look at this thing, this symbol. As for example, I just make a on symbol. That symbol is not available here. Look at the screen. What I am doing here. Suppose make a symbol here. Here, just make a symbol as for example here. Start edit. Look at the screen. How to give the another symbol. Start edit. Create features and give the location as for example. I just put it here. Okay, this location. And save edit, stop edit. How to create it. And then suppose as for example the post office ID, I just put the post office ID from 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7. 7 is the post office, okay. And go to the location, attribute, and we need to change it here. How to change it? You already know that. Start edit, continue, attribute, then give it here. That is ID is 7 and name is
Post office.
post office. Okay, finished it. But how to add it? This is the post office. How to add it? Because this symbol is not available here. So how to add it? So
Yes,
you need
sir.
to go to the save edit, stop edit. Okay. So this symbol how to add here. Right button click, because this is the previous class thing. But image, how to add any image.
Sir.
Listen. Yes.
স্যার আপনার কার্সারটা একটু আস্তে আস্তে নিয়ে স্যার আমরা দেখতে পাই না কোথা যাইতেছে
Okay. No problem. Okay, thank you. So this is your post office. This is your post office. And then you need to go to the location. Listen one thing. I'm always try to give the description first. Then I just move my mouse cursor. Okay. So post office. Then go to the location. This location. This location. Then right button click. Then go to the properties. Right button click. Then go to the properties. Okay. Go to the properties. After clicking the properties, then there is a layer properties. Here is a layer property. And you need to, which type of things you are now adding it. Anyone can say, which option we are now selecting.
Add values, sir.
Exactly. Thank you. Add values. Okay. Then add values. After that, post office, click the post office. Then okay. Now the symbol is now here, post office. And when you just apply, that will directly goes to your area. This is the post office.
Yes, sir.
Fine. Now the next things what you need to do, because this symbol,
We need to edit
if you
symbol.
double click it, yes, this symbol is not available here. Look at these things. The hospital symbol, anyone can say what is the hospital symbol? There is no hospital symbol. So you need to make sometimes the symbol. There is no symbol is here. So how to make it? Today's class I will show you how to make the symbol. How to make the symbol? I just move my mouse cursor and more zoom. How to make the symbol. So please everyone, my request to everyone, make some item, give it ID 7 and add it up to that. Then I will start the next step. Everyone, make it. Make a symbol, start it, make a symbol, correct it. Then I will start the next option. Please everyone, make it. When you finish, response. Please everyone. After finish, please response. Thank you, thank you. Now I am just going to the next step. The next step is, listen, we need to make it, because this symbol, if you clicked it, this symbol is not available here. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I'm just look at this thing. So what I am doing, print screen. Your keyboard, there is a option is print screen. Look at your keyboard. The upper
Yes,
side.
sir.
Okay, I'm just clicking the
After
print.
F12.
Yes, print screen. I'm just clicking the print screen and click here. Look at these things. Paint. Okay. Paint and open a paint and paste it. Okay. What I'm doing, I'm just doing it again. After print screen, I'm just clicking the search and write it paint. And click the paint. And then paste it. So my symbol is now here. So I need to click the select. This symbol, I need to just cut it or copy it or select it, make the another symbol. Look at the screen, click the select it and select my symbol. So this is the symbol. I repeat it again because someone are just entering now. That's why I need to move my mouse cursor. So look at this thing. Select it. Then what you need to do? Copy. Copy it. Copy. Then close it. Or open a new. Don't save it. Then paste it. Look. I need to repeat it again. Tell me.
I think no, sir.
Okay, thank you. Thank you.
Repeat, sir.
Repeat. Okay. Okay. No problem. You need to print screen. Then paint. Then paste it. After paste, select. This is the two options, free form selection, and another is directly select, rectangular. So we are using the rectangular selection. After that, copy it. Now you need to open another new file. File, new file. Don't save it and paste it. Now make it up to that. Then I will go to the next option. Make it. You need to save it. So how to save? File, save as. Then you need to go to your folder. What is your folder? So I think our folder is that, and make it JPG. Okay, the format is JPG and give it, suppose, post office. Save it. Just my request to everyone, save it. Save it as post office and click the save.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Done.
okay, done. Then now the connect that JPG. How to connect it? You know very well that thing. Double click it. Then go to the edit symbol. Double click it. Go to the edit symbol. Click it. And this time you need to click here and picture marker symbol. Okay, clicked it. Symbol, picture. this symbol, click here, type from the type, go to your folder. Where is your folder? Click right. Then look, here is the symbol and open it. You need to connect your symbol, open it. Now look, your symbol is there. Okay, if you want to increase it, you can increase the symbol and okay, and okay. So now your symbol is here and look, your that symbol is. It is clear for everyone? Yes or no? Tell me.
Sir, please repeat one more time.
Okay, no problem. The post office, double click it, then go to the symbol, because these type of things you need to make it so many times, because all the symbol may not be similar with your default symbol. So you need to connect that symbol. So how to connect it? You will use this picture marker symbol, then it will show you the area. Then you need to go to the picture and select where is your picture. You will open it and then open. So then it will come and it will show you where is the thing and then okay. So I think this is okay for you.
Yes, sir. Now okay, sir.
Okay. So somebody are facing the college. Here is the another option is primary school. The same thing, just I am using the primary school so that you can prepare it. So I am just going to the down and just see this. The primary school is 10. 10 is the primary school. Okay. So we need to make a symbol. Here is the primary school symbol. Okay, this. So we will create it. How to create it? Editor, start edit. Okay. Then next is you need to click here and keep the location and click this point. After that, open this attribute. So the primary school is 10. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. It's 10.
Oh, 10. Okay, count it and please inform me. The name is primary school. Primary school. Okay.
Yes, sir. It's 10.
After the primary school, you need to stop it. Save edit, stop edit.
Stop it.
Okay. Now you need to make it. How to make it? Same process as college. Clicked it. Go to the edit symbol. Then before that you need to select something because here is the some of the options.
Circle.
A circle. You need to select the circle. Then increase the circle size. Suppose 30. Go to the edit symbol. After the edit symbol, then next is you need to add a on symbol. From here you need to add a symbol. After that, you need to transfer it because the primary school is outer is a black, the inner side is a orange color, and another is the text. So you need to convert it by text. How to
Yes.
convert it? By using this areas and select it.
Time
The
here.
font is exactly Times New Roman. And select your P for primary school. Okay. And increase the symbol size. Okay. Then next is you need to change the color. Color is and okay. Look, now it is totally
Yes, sir.
empty. Any other symbol you are facing problem? Please tell me. Any other symbol? Please tell me. If you face any problem, tell me.
Sir, we need to Snapchat with police station, like this type of police station is here, sir, or we need to.
Every item 3. Quantity is 3. 1, 2,
Yes,
3,
sir.
14 item. If all the item is here, you will put it. If not, you do not need to give it. But every item, the quantity is
At
3.
least 3.
At least 3.
Yes.
More if you can.
No, sir. I just want to know police station, like symbol of the police station. We need to Snapchat or cut like a picture, or
No,
it
no,
is here.
no. The police station symbol, as for example, I just go to again here. If the symbol is available here, then you will choose that type of symbol. If not, then you can create it. If it is not possible for you to create, then make the JPG.
Oh, okay, sir.
Okay, 3 steps you need to follow. If it is possible to create it, you will create it. If not, then the JPG you need to depend on the JPG. Okay, so the symbol term is finished. Now today we will learn the road. How to separate the road? Last class we finished it.
No, sir. Just do symbol in the last class.
Okay, so how to separate it? Today we will learn how to separate it. The same procedure, you need to follow it. I just go there, remove all value. Suppose this is your present condition area, that for example. Suppose as for example, this is your present condition. But you need to separate it. Because you already finished how to separate it. Because last class, I told everybody to separate it. So how to separate it? I just give you some instruction. But before that, my request to everyone, please connect it again, okay? Connect again. Road. Okay? Because last class we finished the symbol today. Suppose you drawn your all the road with same color. How to separate it? The same procedure you need to apply. You need to go to the road with property. Then road name. After the road name, you need to add value. Here I am just giving two lines. That is, one is national highway, another is the Upojela highway. I just gave the.
But sir, we do not create the road name, sir.
No. Last class we told everyone. Road name and the ID. You will create it and finish it. Okay. Open attribute table. You need to create the road ID and road name. Okay. And after that, you need to give the ID and also the name. How to give this type of things? ID. Look at this physical infrastructure. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this 3 color you will give the name and also the Upojela Paka and Union Paka road. These 5 categories you need to draw. After finishing and drawing everything, because that's like a symbol, so what you need to do? This is the black color road. Look, I am going to the again this area. This is the black and this is the red color. So listen, suppose as for example, when you finished it, if you need to draw another line here, you will give that same ID. Okay? So National Highway and Upojela Road National Highway, I'm just clicked here and changing it as a black color and give it with. Look, now I'm just unchecked it so that you can see. Look, this is the black color. Again, another is Upojela. Double click it. This is the red. Give it the red. Apply and OK. Now, look, the things is now separate. If it is clear, please, everyone, make it. I'm just giving you 5 minutes to make it. Already understood one thing, that is GIS. It's a total work-oriented, project-oriented thing. If you finished one thing, then you can easily transfer your things, then the second step. Yes or no? Please tell me. Without drawing these things, you can separate it? No. So next class, your all the item, then your road, 5 category of road. Suppose as for example, any other road here. Look, here is another road. Suppose just I'm changing the color so that we can see the color. Please, I'm just changing the color, same color. Started it. Okay. Suppose this is your another road, as for example, finished it. And again, draw another road here. Suppose up to that your road, finished it. Then save it. The name of the road, you need to mention it here. So I'm just going there. That is the Union Road, Paka. So you need to give it these things, Union Road. I'm going there again with this. So add it. So how to add it? Road, properties, then add value. Because you need to separate it first. Give the ID and everything. This is 5 and if any spelling is missing, please inform me. Okay, so finished it, save edit, stop edit. Now you need to go to the properties. This is the areas, add value. Look, now the Union Road is available here. Without giving the ID, the whole road actually inside the null. That's why you need to mention it. Then apply and OK. Now, if you change it, the color is blue. Okay. National Highway, the color is black. Look. Again, these things, this is the part of National Highway. So, started it. Okay. Attribute, clicked it. This is National Highway, suppose 1. So now automatically the color is changed. Look at this thing. If you prepare all the things after the edit, it will automatically change. So now my lecture is clear for everyone. If any problem, please tell me. So next class, I will send you the assignment guideline so that you can submit. So your assignment is whole 42 item with Upazila another Saban Union district. If the symbol, all the road is 3 categories of road: National Highway, Union Road, Upazila Road, Paka, all the things. And other road is available. You need to draw that things. That is Regional Highway and Jilla Road. And river with your both of the side, you need to draw it, river. Last is boundary, so that we can go to the next step. So I am just calling your name one by one. Please inform me.
স্যার নেক্সট ক্লাসের মানে 20 তারিখে আমরা স্যার এটা সাবমিট করতে হবে স্যার এই অ্যাসাইনমেন্টটা।
Assignment, yes, assignment, because this is not today's assignment. This is actually 2 weeks ago's assignment.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay.
In the river, sir. In the river, there have small rivers like called Khal, sir. You need to dot this one also, or just
only the river part. You will draw. River part, not the other small of something. You do not need it. Only the river part. Okay. River part.
yes, sir.
So I am just one by one inform Suchitra Sarkar.